Brand name Tesla Smart. Model number TSL-HKSA. Monitor connections ports. Interface type HDMI. Resolution **. Package yes. Computer connections ports. Product name port KVM switch. Housing material high quality matte metal. Switch mode button push hotkey switch etc. Max resolution up to */K. Compatible operating system Win//NT/XP/Win/WinLinuxUnixMac etc. Hot plug support. Auto scan yes. Front panel buttons yes. Keyboard hotkeys yes. IR remote control yes. Console commands R/IP. Auto to get EDID yes. Data rate. Gbps. Auto scan interval seconds. Keyboard emulation *USB type A. Mouse emulation *USB type A. USB. Hub ports *USB type A. Video/audio *HDMI type A. RS pins jack. LAN, TCP/IP, *RJ. IR extension input *auxiliary. USB data *USB type B. Video/audio *HDMI type A. ESD protection human body model, plus or minus kV, air gap discharge. Chasing material metal. Color black. Warranty year.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,